National highways, the road that India drives on, the track that shortens the travel time, the path that is the lifeline of Indian road transport, and the developers and managers of these national highways is National Highways Authority of India. Since its inception under National Highway Authority of India Act passed by the Parliament in 1988, is mandated for development, maintenance and management of national highways, developing and providing consultancy and construction services in India and abroad, collect fee on behalf of central government, establish and maintain hotels, motels and restrooms at or near highways, and advise central government on matters relating to highways. Headed by the chairman and 6 members, the authority acts as a corporate body and works on business principles. The mission of NHAI: green, smart and safe connectivity and development for all. National Highways Development Project (NHDP) under NHAI is a project to upgrade, rehabilitate and widen major highways in India to international standards. The NHAI manages a total length of about 50,000 kilometers of national highways, out of which 26,000 kilometers have already been upgraded. India is a multi-terrain country and its geographic conditions makes it more diverse. The highways constructed by NHAI are not just mere roads with a few extra lanes, but are the example of sheer engineering skills, technological innovations, boldness and courage. NHAI not only build roads but complete infrastructure addressing safety, efficiency and environmental conservation. An overriding commitment to the country's development has resulted in great engineering. A large number of bridges, ROBs, flyovers, vehicular underpasses, bypasses and interchanges are constructed all over these highways, which will cut down on travel time for millions of Indians. Naini Bridge, Gautami Bridge, Sister Nivedita Bridge and tunnels on mountainous Jammu-Srinagar highway are examples of such masterly engineering. Naini Bridge spans the Yamuna at Allahabad. It is a 4-lane, 1,510-meter long cable-stayed bridge. Gautami Bridge in East Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh, has a length of about 2,342 meters and spans the Gautami tributaries of the Godavari River. Sister Nivedita Bridge, the world's first multi-span, single plain cable supported bridge, which is 6.1 kilometers. 6-lane tollway with short pylons has been constructed on River Hooghly, connecting Kolkata with Howrah. Elevated road near Bengaluru, Badarpur in Delhi, near Kanpur, Delhi-Gurgaon section was also constructed. The highway project connecting Jammu to Srinagar, India's largest tunnel network of about a dozen tunnels and India's largest 9-kilometer long tunnel between Chenani and Nasri. Once ready, this road will bring the journey time between Srinagar to Jammu to 5 hours from the current 10 hours. The high standards and mammoth scale of these time-bound projects have led to an entirely fresh approach to management and construction strategy in India. Never compromising on the quality is the mantra that NHAI follows, and thus it was awarded ISO 14001 certification for provision of corporate management services for operation and maintenance of national highways. NHAI has engaged highly qualified and competent officers from all over the country to deal with ambitious road development projects. These officers are skilled to take on the multidisciplinary challenges on-site as well as off-site. They are graduates from IITs, the best engineering schools and from the top government works departments. The authority is not just about constructing roads, it has more to it. NHAI has planted about 30 lakh trees on roadside on a length of about 10,000 km of highways, besides maiden plantation of ornamental shrubs on about 20,000 km of highway projects. It is also working towards utilization of daily waste in construction of highways. electronic toll collection on all toll plazas on national highways will be enabled to ensure seamless movement of vehicles and hassle-free collection of toll, saving fuel and time of highway commuters. Incident management centers are in place, providing round-the-clock services on completed stretches like one route patrol vehicle, and one crane is always available at each toll plaza. Ambulance with paramedical staff is readily available at average of every 50 kilometers of completed stretch. A more detailed framework for highway management is being put in place. Road safety elements have been incorporated into designing of highways. Black spots on highways have been identified, and remedial measures to reduce accidents are being taken up. NHAI is establishing modern, commuter and environment-friendly wayside amenities along the national highways. It is committed to establish these facilities at every 50 km, which will include modern and clean toilets, thus complementing the PM's vision of Swachh Bharat mission through Swachh Highways. NHAI has kept pace with the modern technology in delivering its mandate and is committed to adopt the smart solutions, bringing in requisite world standard proficiency in its functioning. NHAI has signed an MOU with Indian Space Research Organization's National Remote Sensing Center and the Northeast Center for Technology Application and Research for using the satellite data and geospatial technology for real-time assessment of developing road infrastructure and its monitoring. Satellite imaginary and real-time data shall be used for validation and verification of land cover, land use for land acquisition, and to assess the green cover and environmental conservation requirements. NHAI is also encouraging the private sector to participate in the highway development program. The private sector is now participating in financing, designing, construction, operation and management of highways. This has helped to tap private sector efficiencies and flexibility of procedures to speed up implementation. Under the PPP model, NHAI has completed over 100 projects of 6,365 kilometers of length and a cost of Rs 45,044 crores, about $7 billion. When the world talks about Make in India, people talk about inclusive growth of the nation. NHAI is committed to do its part to develop a highway network in the country which is world-class and impeccable, and not just made in India but created in India. NHAI building a nation, not just roads.